completely. Restart Windows. Open Steam again and launch the game. Test the game before changing other settings. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click the First Descendant Properties. Select Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Restart Steam after the scan finishes. Update your GPU driver. Install the latest stable NVIDIA or AMD graphics driver. Restart your PC after installation. Launch the game again. Recent Reddit reports mention startup crashes changing after GPU driver updates. Number 4. Lower graphics settings. Open the NVIDIA app or AMD software. Set the First Descendant to a less demanding profile. Lower settings such as textures, shadows, effects, and ray tracing. Try launching the game again. Recent Reddit reports describe startup freezes improving after lowering graphics settings. Number 5. Clear shader cache. Open Windows settings, System Storage Temporary Files. Select DirectX Shader Cache. Delete the cache. Restart Windows. Launch the game and allow shaders to rebuild. Number 6. Disable overlays. Disable Steam overlay. Temporarily disable Discord overlay. Turn off Xbox Game Bar. Also disable NVIDIA or AMD overlays. Launch the game again. Number 7. Launch through Steam. Avoid using an old desktop shortcut. Open Steam directly. Select the First Descendant from your library. Click Play. A Reddit report found launching directly through Steam helped with some startup problems. Number 8. Remove overclocking. Return your GPU to its default settings. Temporarily disable GPU undervolting. If you use CPU or RAM overclocking, test with default settings. Restart Windows and try launching again. Reddit reports have linked some hard crashes with GPU driver changes and undervolting. Number 9. Check security software. Open Windows Security. Check whether the game or its security components were blocked or quarantined. Make sure legitimate game files have not been removed. If you use third-party antivirus software, check its blocked, quarantined items. Number 10. Reinstall the game as a last resort. If the crash continues after the previous steps, uninstall the First Descendant. Restart your PC. Install the latest version again. Verify the files before launching. If the game still crashes immediately, collect the crash details and contact the game's support team. Important: recent Reddit reports show that the First Descendant startup crashes can have different causes, including graphics settings, drivers, anti-cheat security components, and system stability. So don't assume one specific component is responsible without checking the crash details.